I said, my name's Michael. My name is Michael. Get it right. Do I have to tell you again? I'll kick your ass. I'll kick it. I'll kick it good. You don't want to mess with me. I know Kung Fu. You heard me right. I said Kung Fu. Kung Fu. Either that or I'll slobber on you. I'll slobber. I said I'll slobber. You don't want me to slobber. It's my brother's birthday. He turned 3 today. Yep, I'm only 2. Or am I 1? Yeah, I forget. Short-term memory. Well, I'm gonna go. It's been great. Ciao. Remember, my name is Michael. Mikey. Michael. Mikey.